Okay, in this voiceover tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the baby hairs sort of lay down. You'll hear people say lay down the baby hairs, but just make them look a little presentable. This particular wig is a discontinued style by Especially Yours, but I think her name was Lyric. However, she had some baby hairs that came with her, and I think this is a great wig to show you what to do. So what I'm doing is first putting powder in the part. You can get this little part powder tool from my website, tmwigs.com. I sell it in a kit. So you want sort of a thicker gel. I really like the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Perfect Edges. It's really great for something like this. I'm just using a toothbrush. They do have sort of edge brushes, and you can use those too. I just really like a toothbrush. You know, you have a bunch sitting around your house, of course. So I always dip the little toothbrush into the gel, and then you see I'm holding the rest of the hair back and just working and combing down those baby hairs and coating them with the gel. With a curly style like this, you know, you have to make sure that you don't get it in the rest of the wig. So I just make it, you know, you can do your baby hairs any way that you want. Sometimes people do them very, very, you know, elaborate. I don't. I just want to make it help the hairline look a little bit natural. Once I get them coated, then I start to shape them around, and to finish the whole thing, I do use a rat tail comb. So you'll need a toothbrush, a rat tail comb, just like I'm doing right there, swoop, just to make it look a little bit more coiffed. You don't need to do that. You can do them any way you want. I'm just showing you the way that I like to do them. So you need the toothbrush, the rat tail comb, and the Perfect Edges gel. And those are kind of the things that we'll be using in order to achieve this. Obviously, you're going to want to put powder in any part. You don't have to, but it does really make a difference for making that part look more like your scalp. You want to let it dry, and I am just perfecting this. Now, if you do have bio hair, you can pull some of your own bio hair out as well and blend it in with any baby hairs that come naturally on the synthetic wig. But you do not have to. So again, this is just a way I'm showing you how to do it, but you can really do it any way that you would like. One tip, and the reason you see me going over and over and over again, you see my head getting red. It didn't really bother me while I'm doing it. So if you have sensitive scalp, please be careful. But one tip is the reason I'm going over and over and over this is because I don't like when the baby hairs are like clumped together. I think that even makes it look more fake. And I think that's how it looks when it comes. They're like sort of clumped together. So I make sure that I'm like really separating them, combing them through. You want them to look thin a little bit. And that to me looks more natural. Now I'm going to add a little bit more powder so that it comes down and meets where those baby hairs are. You can even step this up once that is all dry and tap a little powder along the hairline in between where you've laid the baby hairs and the wig. That can also really help to make the hairline look a little bit more natural. But yeah, I just wanted to show you and walk you through what I'm doing and why I'm doing that for a synthetic wig that comes with baby hairs. And let me know down below if there's any tips or tricks that you have. And I will link all of the tools and products that I'm using down below. So that's really all there is to it. This is how it looks when I'm all done. And I hope this was very helpful for you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.